Hi my lovely viewers, this is LOIT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to uninstall YouTube app in PC or laptop in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the search option. Here I have clicked. Here we will go to the settings. We will go to the apps. Here I have clicked, so installed app. Here lots of application has been installed in my PC or laptop, so I will write my thinking or write my thing what YouTube. So click here. So here we will uninstall. So let's check. So click this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So click here. Also delete the data from Chrome. So click here. We want to remove everything from my PC according to my YouTube thing. See, we couldn't find anything to show more. Double check your search criteria. So YOUT. See, we couldn't see the full form has been written, so we couldn't find anything to show here. Double click check again. So in this way we can uninstall this app. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.